Hello everyone, welcome to My Apple Podcast. My name is Tim Brown, your host. For this episode, I'm going to feature Hype Part 2. This is a follow-up to my previous podcast where I introduced the well-known HTML5 editor. One problem I discovered in the last time I worked on this is that videos do not always play in multiple browsers. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to Insert, Video, and grab your first file. This is an MP4 file. I'm going to go ahead and resize this. And what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 additional files right on top of this video. And that will give you 3 files to ensure that they'll play in multiple browsers. So you're going to go to the inspector and you're going to look for the plus sign down at the bottom. You're going to click the plus sign and then you're going to grab your second file format, which is then going to be inserted right on top of that. So if you were looking at the code would just fall right underneath the first source code. And you'll have 3 lines for the source code for the 3 videos that you're referencing. So you basically have 3 video files that have been placed right on top of one another. And that's how you get around the issue of multiple browsers. Tumult recommends that you use Miro Video Converter to convert your files. And here are the 3 different formats that you use. You just drag them onto the stage and click Convert. I'm not going to save it since I've already done it. It's a pretty affordable application. You can find it in the Mac App Store. Now, what if you don't want to convert the video files? Maybe that's too much trouble. Well, you can add a YouTube video by just going to Insert and then Box. So you're going to insert a box, and here I'm going to format the box to be the same size as the video that I'm going to add. And you select the box, and a little pencil tool will appear underneath the bottom. You'll see another box appear. That's where you're going to add your code. So I already had the page here. It's a lithography video. And I'm going to go through the process again here. I'm going to share. And then I'm going to click embed. You're going to grab the embed code. You're going to copy that code. And then you're going to paste it into that little box that appear along the bottom. So I'm going to do that again. Select the box, click the pencil tool, and then paste my embed code right in that little box. And like magic, there's your YouTube video that appears on your stage. And now we'll just go ahead and play this back and see what it looks like. So I'm going to pull up a preview browser here. And let's go ahead and just click through these. Here's the first one where I imported the 3 different video formats. So this will ensure that it plays in multiple browsers and multiple platforms. And here's the YouTube video. There you go. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, I'm going to exit out of that. Now you're going to export your project. You're going to go to Export HTML5. And you're going to save it to the folder location where you want it to go. Now I've already done this, so I'm kind of going through the steps again. But I'm going to show you what the folder actually looks like. So here you have your HTML page, and here's the folder with all of your assets. You look inside there, there are all the video files, including the ones that you formatted, and all the graphics associated with it. Well, thanks for tuning in for My Apple Podcast. I'll see you next time.